How to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. Now, airplane mode for Monopoly Go is an actual glitch. Glitch means it's not going to be 100% that that specific technique or a glitch will 100% work. So you just gotta go ahead and keep on trying. And the other reason that it is not working, that's because the way of doing it on your end might not be appropriate or might not be the wrong way. So for you to be able to do it correctly, all you have to do is to access Monopoly Go, and this time your airplane mode should be turned off temporarily. Now, once you have accessed the game, this is the time that you will turn on your airplane mode. But no worry, your Monopoly Go will still operate even if you don't have an internet connection. So again, once you have good or once you're okay with the points or the positions that you're in, then this time you will have to use the glitch. Now turn off the airplane mode, play the game, and then once you're good with that position or the points you have accumulated, um, you just have to close the application and then turn back your airplane mode again, and you just have to keep on doing the same process until this will work. And that's how you troubleshoot and fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working.